Hey everybody, so I went to Lowe's several times today, several locations. This is going to be the first tool haul, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I picked up one of these in a previous video. I think it was with, what was it? It was with the 20 volt max power detect hammer drill kit with the free 8. Found out that a lot of them are messed up, and I can't show you the old one because I replaced one. And this shaft right here was crooked on the one I originally bought, so it was like this, so it was wobbling. This one is straight, and what I did is I found two other straight ones. I picked them up. I could put each of these in a different kit, like one for cell phone repair and small precision parts, another one in a work bag, and then one will stay in my toolbox, is the way I had set it up. They were only $9.98 a piece. I bought these two today. One of these is the replacement, doesn't matter. It's not a really long video, but Kobalt Precision double drive, $9.98. And then here's the receipt with the new ones. I might be adding these to the video, I don't know, but I do like these 8-in-1s. You unscrew the cap at the bottom, and there's more precision. There's 8 precision drivers in here, I believe. It's been a really long day. I got a crap ton of, well, it's not a crap ton, but I got 3 or 4 other things, and I'm going to do a separate video on all of them. I will also do a video just about these, and then the other 2 full-size models, because I picked up the bigger model than the one I've showed in previous videos, which is this guy. There's a model bigger than this guy. It says 6X on the bottom. So we'll do a video on that. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. These are all, you know, on discount for Father's Day. That one I just showed you, the bigger one, that one's $12.98, and the larger one is $24 with a bunch of bits. It's a 32-piece kit. That's why it's $24. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you guys subscribing, checking out the video, staying to the end of the video. It's going to be a short video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!